Okay everyone, so this is a quick video on how to reset the maintenance required light when it comes on for your Toyota Tacoma. So you're going to go ahead and start the car. Now usually you'll see that light stay on, the one with the triangle and the little exclamation point. I just reset it. I should have did it while the light was on, but you're going to go ahead. I'm going to try to get this closer. You're gonna go ahead and scroll over with your arrow keys on your steering wheel to the part where it says, or it's got the little gear, right? You're gonna go down, it's probably gonna be up here, so you're gonna end up going down, clicking settings, and then it'll start at the top again. You're gonna go down to maintenance reset, and then you're gonna scroll up and you're gonna click yes. Now you're gonna use these buttons here. So once you click yes, I already did it, so I'm not gonna do it again. So once you click yes, it'll bring you back to this, it'll say maintenance reset, and it'll bring you back to this menu. You can go ahead and just push this button to back out of everything. And you should be all good. Thanks. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. Helps me out. Thank you.